The world around us is changing at an unprecedented pace. Just as the seasons transform the landscape, so too does technology reshape the very fabric of our existence. From the depths of our oceans to the vast expanse of space, innovation knows no bounds. Join me now as we embark on a journey to explore the 5 most groundbreaking technologies of 2025. These marvels of human ingenuity are not mere concepts confined to laboratories, but powerful forces already shaping our world, promising a future brimming with possibilities. Over the next few moments, we'll delve into the intricate workings of these technological wonders and uncover the profound impact they have on our lives. Prepare to be amazed by the boundless potential of human creativity and the extraordinary future it is building. The animal kingdom has always fascinated us with its intelligence, from the intricate communication of ants to the problem-solving abilities of crows. But now, a new form of intelligence is emerging, one born not from nature, but from lines of code and silicon chips. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is no longer a figment of science fiction. It's here, woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. From the algorithms that curate our social media feeds, to the voice assistants responding to our queries, AI is quietly revolutionizing our world. At the forefront of this revolution are machine learning algorithms, systems that can learn from data and improve their performance over time. Imagine a chimpanzee using a twig to extract termites from a mound, but instead of instinct, it's driven by a deep understanding of the termite's behavior, constantly refined through experience. That's the essence of machine learning. Deep within the subatomic realm, where the laws of physics take on an almost mystical quality, lies the key to a technological revolution unlike any we've ever seen: quantum computing. Imagine a computer so powerful that it could solve problems in seconds that would take even the most advanced supercomputers of today thousands, if not millions of years to crack. This is the promise of quantum computing, a technology that harnesses the bizarre and counterintuitive laws of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at an unprecedented scale. Unlike classical computers, which store information as bits representing either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers utilize qubits. These qubits can exist in a superposition simultaneously representing both 0 and 1, allowing quantum computers to perform multiple calculations at once. It's like having a million calculators working in parallel, tackling a problem from every conceivable angle. The implications of this technology are staggering. In medicine, quantum computers could revolutionize drug discovery by simulating the interactions of molecules at an atomic level, leading to the development of new treatments for diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries. Chapter 3: The Code of Life, Biotechnology and the Dawn of Personalized Medicine. Within each of us lies a microscopic universe, a symphony of molecules orchestrating the complex processes of life. This is the realm of biotechnology, a field that seeks to understand and harness the power of biology to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. Imagine a world where diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and HIV are no longer feared, but effectively treated with personalized therapies tailored to each individual's genetic makeup. This is the promise of personalized medicine, a revolutionary approach to healthcare that leverages the power of biotechnology to deliver targeted treatments with unprecedented precision. At the heart of this revolution lies the ability to read, edit, and even rewrite the code of life itself, DNA. Thanks to groundbreaking technologies like CRISPR-Cas9, scientists can now make precise changes to DNA sequences, correcting genetic defects and introducing beneficial traits with remarkable accuracy. Chapter 4: A Brighter Future. The Rise of Renewable Energy Technologies. For millennia, humanity has relied on the Earth's finite resources to fuel its progress, often with devastating consequences for the planet. But now, a new era is dawning, one powered by the inexhaustible energy of the sun, wind, and waves. Renewable energy technologies, once considered a niche sector, are rapidly becoming mainstream, driven by a growing awareness of the urgent need to address climate change and transition to a more sustainable energy future. Imagine a world where cities are powered by gleaming solar panels adorning rooftops and vast wind farms harnessing the power of the breeze. This is not a utopian dream, but a reality taking shape across the globe as the cost of renewable energy technologies continues to plummet, making them increasingly competitive with fossil fuels. Solar energy, once a costly and inefficient technology, has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years. Advances in photovoltaic cell technology and manufacturing processes have driven down the cost of solar panels, making them more accessible to homeowners and businesses alike. Chapter 5, To Infinity and Beyond, a new era of space exploration. From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed up at the night sky, filled with wonder and a yearning to explore the cosmos. For centuries, space exploration was the stuff of dreams, confined to the pages of science fiction novels and the imaginations of visionaries. But in the latter half of the 20th century, that dream became a reality. Today, we are on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, one driven by both national ambition and the entrepreneurial spirit of private companies. No longer the sole domain of government agencies, space exploration is now a global endeavor, with nations large and small, along with private companies, vying for their place among the stars. One of the most ambitious projects currently underway is NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon by 2025, this time to stay. Artemis is more than just a return to the moon, it's a stepping stone to Mars and beyond, laying the foundation for a permanent human presence in deep space. Chapter 6, The Future is Unwritten. From the intelligence of machines mirroring our own, to the quest to harness the building blocks of the universe, these 5 technologies stand as testaments to the boundless potential of human ingenuity. They offer a glimpse into a future brimming with possibilities, a future where challenges are met with innovation, and the seemingly impossible becomes reality. As we stand at the precipice of this exciting new era, one question remains. What role will you play in shaping the future? Will you be a spectator, watching from the sidelines as history unfolds? Or will you be an active participant, using your skills and passions to contribute to the collective advancement of humanity? The choice is yours, but one thing is certain. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. So let's embrace the possibilities, face the challenges head on, and build a future worthy of the boundless potential that lies within us all.